Well, I think I'm gonna do it. I just got over being sick, and I've had a lot of time to watch some YouTube videos about other people taking their long beds and turning them into short beds. So we're gonna see what happens. Take this long bed and turn her into a short bed. I think the best part of this whole truck is that seat. When I got it, it was covered by a black vinyl seat cover. Almost perfect condition. So when I was in high school, my dad bought me a 72 Chevy truck, long bed, but it was green and white. But my favorite color is orange. So when I found this 3/4 ton green and white camper special, I bought it. And so I've been watching quite a lot of videos on the University of YouTube to see other people's ideas on how to shorten it. And so some of the things I've been watching are from Vice Grip Garage, Double D Speed Shop, Paul CK, I think that's how it is, maybe it's Polk C10, 330 Garage, and the people that got me into thinking about getting an old piece of crap truck that I really liked was the guys from Roadkill. So we're going to try to take this truck and turn it into a cool but cheap hot rod. So the whole family decided to come out in the garage and inventory all of our food, you know, because of coronavirus. And Chloe found this old photo album of mine, and look what's in it.
The Creamsicle.
She's calling the Creamsicle. That's my old green and white truck. Look at that sucker. I wish I would have never sold it. And here we are, working on the Creamsicle.
So,
right, Chloe? It's called the
Creamsicle.
Creamsicle. So I think I got to get it leveled up before I start marking out where I'm going to cut the bed. I'm going to cut the bed right on the truck. So I got to mark it out here and mark it out there, but I got to get it level first.